now this side. No? So if you see here, defense is now earlier they asked for the tip of that side, but the main issue is approach road and other issues are there. So now they have given a letter for this side. This side, no, beyond this, no, if you see this. So we have to make a breakwater here and we have to do. But initially we planned for a cargo handling here. So now we have to take a call. Now the next board meeting we will discuss and we have to take a call. In principle, if we agree, then we can develop a naval area so that it will be segregated from the normal port operation. That is it. That tip, no, that tip, no, breakwater. So this is a breakwater. Suppose if you handle navy vessel there, then one more breakwater banna padega. So you have to make a breakwater and develop the berth. So that will become an exclusively naval facility. So you will not have any interface with the other port activity. So that's what we are thinking. So next board meeting we will take a decision and
about Coast Guard.
Yeah, Coast Guard Navy together. See, here also earlier there was nothing was there. So here 9.5 meters. So if the naval vessel they require, then they may be requiring around 12.5 meter draft. So we have to build a breakwater and dredging it and berth also. So everything we will be constructing and they will be giving the money. And that also environmental clearance, study, everything is required. So it is a 5 years project. But the only thing is whether to give the area to Navy, we have to take a call in the next board meeting.
So you all have not yet decided whether
We have not yet decided. The next board meeting, the board will decide.